While road trip along US 101, you'll often encounter signs such as no overnight parking or no camping, making it challenging to find spaces to freely spend the night. Today, I'll introduce a place where you can fall asleep to the sound of waves and take a stroll along the beach. DeMartin Beach Picnic Area is located on the US 101 California segment, 7 miles north of Klamath and 15 miles south of Crescent City. Situated right by the beach, this picnic area features picnic tables and fire pits. Unlike other places, there are no signs prohibiting camping or overnight parking. I've stayed here twice without any issues. The highlight here is the sound of the ocean waves. Being right next to the sea, you can listen to the waves all night long. When I first started my van travels, I had a bucket list item to stay somewhere with a view of the ocean and the sound of waves when I opened the van door. I checked that off while staying in Washington, but I was able to experience it again here. The downside is that it's close to the highway, so you can hear the traffic noise. However, it wasn't a big problem at night when the number of passing cars significantly decreased. There are no restrooms on site, but there are restrooms at Lagoon Creek Picnic Ground about 0.5 miles south. You need to bring your own drinking water. The first time I went, there were about 4 or 5 vans spending the night together. We even met some local residents fishing and had a BBQ together. Young travelers from Germany were having a campfire and chatting late into the night. The second time I went, there were fewer people staying overnight than the first time. It was probably before the peak travel season. Walking along the beach in the evening and waking up to a morning stroll is a blissful experience. For those traveling along the Pacific coast on US 101, this is a great spot. It might be tight for large RV trailers or Class A RVs, but it's suitable for vans or truck campers like Class B. In the summer, you'll also find many people sleeping in their cars. DeMartin Beach Picnic Area was a memorable place for me.